Is a reaction now that's coming in from the Enforcement Directorate based on what the Mumbai Police's forensic audit report is there. So the ED says it has not received any digital evidence from the Mumbai Police. It has not even received the Mumbai Police forensic audit report. They have only shared random statements of witnesses so far. Our senior correspondent for crime, Bhavtosh Singh, is getting further details here on this. Bhavtosh, is this a case of the ED debunking the findings of the Mumbai Police, or the Mumbai Police here should have already shared these inputs, these details of the forensic audit report that they have at hand?
Sir, earlier in the day, the Mumbai Police off camera, but senior officials said that they had given documents as well as some statements to the Enforcement Directorate, thus giving them a clean check. Now, last week itself, ED had come out in open and said that they had written 4 letters to the Enforcement Directorate, to the Mumbai Police, and asking them for Sushant Singh mobile phones as well as his 2 laptops. But despite writing 4 times, the Mumbai Police never gave them these digital evidence. Now, ED has again clarified that while they had given them some random statements of witnesses, but the 2 most crucial things: one, the digital evidence, which includes Sushant Singh Rajput's mobile phones and laptop, and also the forensic audit report. Now, Mumbai Police, after Bihar Police filed an FIR, Mumbai Police appointed a forensic auditor, which was in fact Grant Thornton, and they claim that they have prepared a report in which the total bank accounts of Sushant Singh Rajput was around 17 crore rupees. ED wants that forensic report because somewhere ED believes that after questioning 13 people in this case, they have not been telling the truth. But these 2 crucial pieces of evidence for the Federal Probe Agency, these evidence have not yet been shared with the Enforcement Directorate.
All right, Bhavtosh, thank you for explaining those developments here. Remember, as Bhavtosh mentioned, this is in the face of what the Mumbai Police has also just stated. The ED complains that this information has not been shared by the Mumbai Police. But let's also get you what these details are. So this is what the Mumbai Police has said. They have now received the forensic audit report of the late actor Sushant Singh Rajput's account. And in this report, Mumbai Police establishes here with its findings that they have found no traces of financial transactions between Rhea Chakrabarti and the late actor Sushant Singh Rajput, except for some trips abroad and some household related expenses. We have with us our correspondent Santhya getting us further inputs here on this. Santhya, of course, the ED is complaining on why this hasn't been shared yet, if this is digital evidence and information. But the Mumbai Police making it very clear that this entirely establishes that there is no wrongdoing. This is not along the lines of what the Bihar Police had earlier investigated or what the ED now is looking at, that there was foul play on Rhea Chakrabarti's part with their allegation of siphoning off money from the late actor's account.
See, there are 2 things here. First, ED's claim that how Mumbai Police has shared nothing else but some random statements with them. So this is what Mumbai Police has maintained from the beginning when ED actually sought for certain documents and other evidences and statements in the case. At that time, Mumbai Police DCP wrote a letter to ED and requested them to specify what exactly they need. Now today, senior officers from Mumbai Police told Mirror Now that how they have shared some statements with them and some more documents which ED has asked for. They'll see if they can share that or not, because the entire case related, whether it's the document or the evidence, that will not be completely shared before the Supreme Court's order is out. That's the stand of Mumbai Police. Talking about the forensic audit report, what that says, according to Mumbai Police, as of now, the findings of that forensic reports claim that how there was no significant financial transaction between 2 parties, which is Sushant Singh Rajput and Rhea Chakrabarti or any of her family members, barring of course some household expenses and a couple of trips, one international trip and one domestic trip. Apart from these transactions, there is no significant transaction which has taken place between these 2 parties. Now this is actually this report of forensic auditor actually supports Mumbai Police's earlier claim as well, sir, because Mumbai Mumbai police since the very beginning is claiming that they have looked into Sushant's accounts and they have not found any kind of significant financial transaction between Sushant and Riya or her family members for that matter. And now with forensic audit report also saying the same, this completely supports Mumbai police's claim and stand here. But as of now, that report is yet to be shared by ED, by Mumbai police. That's what ED says. Seher.
With ED. That's right. Well, Sandhya, thank you for getting us those inputs here. These are two parallel developments. The ED denying having received that information, but the Mumbai police, of course, maintaining that this information indicates that there was no foul play. We'll have to leave it at that. Thank you for those inputs. With that note, we're slipping into a very tiny breather. Stay with us, please. Back in just a bit.